Bye. Yeep. 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 The Yeep Skybase Blue Town Police has issued a Skybase griefer threat. Stay indoors or defend the area of this griefer. Remember, this griefer is highly dangerous. Even though our Skybase may have double layers and small pieces of armored pillows, it will not be able to defeat the griefer's wrath. This could be the end of our Skybase. Everyone, this is, see, either if there is a, if there is a lot of if there is a lot of damage to the Skybase, it is too late. You have only two options. Well, three, if you're fearful. 1. Escape. Escaping the Skybase would be pretty weak, and well, it makes you look like a wimp, but really, who cares at this point? There's too much damage. Defend your home. This griefer is too much. You either do this or you give up. 3. It's too late. Already, half of the Skybase has been destroyed. Run while you still can. Run. 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 Run.